flavors could be parang, how do you call that? I'm very bad. Yung parang fruits, and the taste could be sour or
Yes.
spicy. That's deliberate also.
Yes.
You designed it that way.
Yes, it's intentional also. Because I mean, here in the Philippines, we have a lot of like citrus, like great citrus, vinegars. Also, we even ferment our own fermentations, like fruits, vegetables, and even grains like rice and adlay.
Yeah, it's been noticed that there is really no restaurant dedicated to Filipino seafood. So now you're doing one, and do you think that its time has come? A seafood restaurant, totally seafood restaurant.
Yeah, I think so. Yes. I mean, us Filipinos, we are like naturally seafood lovers. It's just like we never like encounter any. And you're right. We never encounter any seafood places like this, like to the next level. But I think yes, I believe like this is the right and perfect timing because Filipino people also, and even other neighboring Asian countries, we be able to travel along Asia's in a way. Been to Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Indonesia, right? So we kind of know the flavors of neighboring countries like the Southeast Asia. So it's not foreign anymore. Like eating Asian cuisine to the next level.
So what makes it Filipino seafood then? As differentiated from just Asian or other Southeast Asian regions?
So basically, Cerulean Dining, we focusing like entirely in Philippine seafood. We don't use any Asian seafood. It's just Philippine seafood.
You mean the seafood found in our seas?
Yes, in our seas, in
The
our own
marine
seas.
resources.
Yes, the marine resources coming from the north and the south. And to be honest, I'm quite
So you
closely
don't
working.
import?
We don't. It's just also helping Filipino farmers and fishermen. So I'm closely working with the Slow Foods community in Negros. So a lot of our shellfish are coming and fish are coming from the north. From the north and the south. And the Slow Foods. Yeah, Davao, Iloilo, Negros, Rojas.
And how is the supply? Is it reliable?
Actually, that's the
supply
most challenging part. But again, we love challenge. I mean, I think that's also what we want to help the farmers. But of course, by the help of the Slow Foods community and other communities, the farmers are be able to like ship their products from Negros to Metro Manila.
And what feedback have you gotten from the diners?
Oh, a lot of great feedbacks.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes they like surprisingly, I mean, they don't know that we have that kind of fish, like the mangrove fish. They don't know. Like I mean, I think
The what?
we have a mangrove fish also.
Mangrove
The mangrove fish. I mean, it's not usual to Filipino flavors probably, and unicorn fish.
Unicorn.
We have also the unicorn fish.
So you went